Dear viewers, you are watching Shridhar News 24 at this moment. I'm Radha Shridhar, always with you. You know that in this busy time, in this modern time, we want to communicate, continue with others by call, by gift, by celebration and etc. But you know, at this moment in the world, birthday celebration is one of the most communication to each other. In this busy time, we forget most of our colleagues, most of our relative friends and nearest birthday, but digitally we can take help from Facebook for celebration or birthday, but we can take the reminder. Facebook is giving us a very important, very enjoyable and very interesting option. How can we celebrate our birthday by helping reminder option from Facebook? The viewers, if we want to celebrate our Facebook friend's birthday by helping of Facebook reminder system, we have to go fast in our Facebook or Facebook software, Facebook apps. You know that in the Facebook apps we have to open it. We have to open it. After open these apps, we have to go at right side and upper and right side in 3-dot menu. We have to go 3-dot menu, 3 lines menu. After clicking here, we have to go scroll down and we see here. Next we have to click settings option, the settings. After clicking here, we have to scroll down and we have to find notification. Viewers, you have to see here notification settings. You have to click here. After clicking here, you have to find birthday notification, birthday viewers. We will find here birthday. We have to click here birthday. The viewers, you are seeing here allow notification on Facebook. On Facebook, it's right now on. But if your mobile is off, then you have to on it and turn on it, and it's okay. And you have to open every site and every options here. If you off it, so you won't track any notification from Facebook of your birthday, but you have to open it, you have to on it, and next time I'll get notification from Facebook, birthday notification. That means the next we have seen upcoming birthday. If you on it, or Facebook will notify you that your friend's birthday is coming and delayed birthdays. If you want it, the viewers have seen here how can we reminder our Facebook friend's birthday, but I want to share with you, viewers, if your set is unlocked to notification, so you have to lock it. That means your set must be open notification. That means you have to go in your its notification. You have to settings. You have to click here, and another option is notification and status bar. You have to find out notification and status bar. You have to click here, viewers. And you have to turn on show notification bar icon. That means you have to turn on it, apps notification. Apps notification, and next time you have to find Facebook. Here we find Facebook. Dear friends, Facebook is off now, but by clicking we need to open it. Facebook is open at this moment. That means your mobile set and your Facebook account is ready to send you your friends birthday notification. the viewers, the video is till that. I hope this video will help you to celebrate your friends, your Facebook friends birthday celebration. First, if you choose my video at this moment, you can like, comment and share this video. And you are cordially requested to subscribe my channel Sikdin News 24 at this moment for next informative video. Dear viewers, no more today. This video is till that, and see you next time. Take care.